Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Integrating x over x grade minus 9 from 3 to 5 looks easy, but there is a hidden trap waiting for you. Let's solve it. First, notice the lower limit is 3. When we plug 3 into the denominator, we get 0. This means we are dealing with an improper integral that has a vertical asymptote. To solve this, we must take the limit as a variable approaches 3 from the right. We use U-Substitution, but the natural log of 0 is undefined as we approach it. As the natural log limit approaches negative infinity, the area under the curve is infinite, therefore the integral does not converge to a number. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given and check your steps.